Hi, my name is Kelly Bailey Sackett, and here's just a little bit about me. I'm a special education teacher at Enrico Fermi School 17 in the Rochester City School District, and right now I'm working towards my master's to teach English as a second language. Some fun things: I just got married on August 8th, and I love hiking, kayaking, reading, and anything outside. Where will I be in teaching in 5 years, and then again in 10 years? My goal is to be an ESL teacher in 5 years. I think I want to switch from the special education track to an ESL tenure track. I think I would be happier in that position, and I've really been inspired by the kids that I'm working with at my school right now. And then in 10 years, I love the idea of being a bilingual teacher. I'm taking Spanish classes right now, and a lot of my students are native Spanish speakers, and my original goal was to be a math teacher when I started off my college career, so I would like to get back to that. I love the idea of becoming a bilingual math teacher and constantly achieving and changing and making sure I'm keeping my teaching fresh and exciting for me and the students. What does the word assessment mean to me? Assessment is a combination of course, summative and summative and formative check-ins or evaluations. I immediately thought of many protocols that we use, fist of five, turn and talk, all those things that you're just checking in and saying, having kids also just self-assess and check themselves. How am I doing right now? Do I understand what she's saying, or do I not have a clue? And then of course we all think about testing and quizzes and all the paper to pencil assessment. And I just wanted to briefly talk about the good and the bad things about assessment. The first cartoon I chose there, that little boy, my point about picking that one was there's a very big importance to assessment, and we need to make sure that we are checking that students are comprehending what they're supposed to be learning and they're meeting the standards. So there's this important part of the testing and any type of assessment. But then I also wanted to acknowledge the fact of the testing culture that a lot of people feel like we've crossed a line and now it's becoming too much. But thank you for listening, and I look forward to working with all of you.